Here's how to send your live location on WhatsApp. First up, go over to the WhatsApp app and select the contact or chat you'd like to send your live location to. Once you're on the chat, click on this attachment tool right over here and click on the location option, and you can easily then click on the share live location option right over here and then click on the continue option, and you can easily click on the send location. So as you can see, I have successfully shared my live location. So that's how you can easily save or share your live location. And if you want to stop the sharing, you can easily click on the stop sharing option, and that will easily stop the live location sharing. So that's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.